Hi guys! Today I'd like to make banana cake. This cake is healthy and tasty. Let's start! We're gonna need 200 to 220 grams banana, 100 grams vegetable oil, 100 grams sugar. Here I use raw sugar, 40 grams milk, half teaspoon vanilla extract, half a teaspoon baking soda, half a teaspoon baking powder, and a pinch of salt, 160 grams all-purpose flour, and 4 eggs. In a bowl we add all-purpose flour, baking soda, baking powder, and salt. Give a good mix. In a bowl we add banana. Then beat the bananas. Actually you can use spoon or fork to mash the bananas, but I like to use this way, save time. Then we add the sugar. Then egg. Add one by one. Beat well until everything combined. Strain the flour mixture to the bowl. Beat at low speed until everything combined. Here I got two things. Brush the oil around the things to make sure the cake can be taken out easily later. Pour the mixture to the things. Garnish with some almond flakes. This is an optional step, you don't need to do it. I just want the cake look nicer and healthier. Okay, we can bring to bake at 170 Celsius in 45 to 50 minutes time. After baking, we on a rake and let it cool down. Then we can take the cake out of the tin. Now we cut the cake and enjoy. My son really loves this cake and he keeps telling me to make the banana cakes for him. Hope you guys like this recipe and will make it at home. If you guys like my video, please thumb up, subscribe my channel and click on the bell beside to update my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you soon.